My dear friends, all the best for you to secure good marks in GATE 2020. Here in this class, let me introduce myself. This is from Erode Sengunthar Engineering College. We are taking a special care towards the preparation of GATE, which secures an high position in getting the seats in reputed institution and also getting jobs to various public limited and private limited companies. I am Dr. P.G.PALANIMANI, Professor Mathematics from Erode Sengunthar Engineering College. And today in this class, we are discussing about the problems what all asked in GATE 2019, right? So let me share the screen. Okay, we shall discuss in this. Okay, so this question asked in GATE 2019. Consider the matrix P, which is equal to the given matrix is a 3x3 matrix, and the task is for you to find the distinct eigenvalues. What is the name distinct gives you? Distinct means it should be like repeated, or it should not have any relationship with this. So 1 is distinct, 5 is distinct, 8 is distinct, and here 1 is distinct and 8 is distinct, right? Coming back to the problem, this problem is an upper triangular matrix for which the lower triangle is given as 0. Whenever you have a upper triangle matrix or a lower triangle matrix, the eigenvalues are the diagonal values, okay, the diagonal elements. So in memory, you have to see the answer. So eigenvalues are the diagonal elements. So what are the eigenvalues here? The eigenvalues are 1, 1, 1. The eigenvalues are 1, 1, 1. It is repeated. It is repeated eigenvalues. It is a repeated eigenvalue. 1 is repeated thrice. This 1 is repeated thrice. So we have a distinct value, only one distinct value. We must have only one distinct value. Okay. Only one distinct value. So the answer is 1. The answer is one distinct value. Okay. One distinct value. This is the answer. This one is the answer. Right? So whenever we have a problem like this, we have something called 1, 5. We have 1, this one can take any value. This may be 2, this may be 5, and this may be 0. The diagonal elements are 1, 5, 8. 3 values are distinct values. They are not repeated. So distinct value is 3. Right? If you have a situation like this, we have repeated values. We have repeated values. Okay. We have repeated values. We have a situation like this, 1, 2, 2, and 1, 8, 8. So 1, 8, 8. 1 is an value, 1 value. This one is 2. So distinct values are 1, 2. 2 distinct values. Two distinct values. So the answer for this question is 1. Okay. Answer for the question is 1 distinct value. Okay. Right. So we have next question. We have next question here. Okay. We have next question. dy by dx plus 7x square y is equal to 0. y of 0 is equal to 3 by 7. Y of 1 is equal to the great question mark. This is asked in 2019. What is the value of y of 1? So whenever you have a one-dimensional equation, this is an one-dimensional. This is a first-degree equation. It's a linear equation. You can separate x and y. So we say it is a variable separable. It is variable separable. You can separate x and y. So dy by dx is equal to minus 7x square y. Dy by y is equal to minus 7x square dx. I have separated y alone and x alone. Okay, y alone and x alone, right? So we try to integrate both sides. Integrate dy with respect to y, in this dy by y is equal to minus 7 integral x square dx. Okay, so log y, so log, ln, both are same here. Integration is always with respect to e. So mathematically we say it is log, but we have to write like this only. Whenever you say ln, you don't worry. You take integration, you take differentiation, and so on. Okay, log y is equal to minus 7 x cube by 3 is the integration of x square, x cube by 3 plus c. So you take exponential on both sides. Right, taking exponential, e power log y, e power ln y, e power ln y is equal to y. Okay, e raised to the power minus 7 by 3 x cube. This plus c I have multiplied by c, plus c I have multiplied by c is e power c. So y is equal to some k. I have kept this. So actually this is like this, e power minus 7 by 3 x cube plus c. It is written like this, right? This e power c can be taken as a constant. It is another constant k. It is another constant k. So y is equal to k e power minus 7 by 3 x cube. So given initial condition y of 0 is equal to 3 by 7. I have applied y of 0. We have y here. So 3 by 7 is equal to k e power minus 7 by 3 0 cube. E power 0 is 1. So e power 0 is 1. E power 0 is 1. So k is equal to 3 by 7. So y is equal to 7 by y. I have kept here back is the function is with respect to x. You can say it is x. Y of x is equal to 7 by 3 e power k is 7 by 3. Okay, k is 7 by 3. Right? Don't worry about e power c. 3 by 7 e power minus 7 by 3 x cube. So y of 1 is equal to, apply x is equal to 1. Here apply x is equal to 1, which is very much needed for the problem. X equal to 1. So it is 3 by 7 e power minus 7 by 3. So this is the answer for this problem. This is again asked in these 2 marks. Okay, right? So again coming to the next problem, evaluation of integral 2 to 4 x cube dx by using 2-segment trapezoidal rule. What is a trapezoidal rule? How it is used? Where it is? This trapezoidal rule comes under numerical methods and numerical integration. Numerical integration is included in all the non-circuit branches, mechanical, chemical, and so on, and also some electrical also. Only the computer science students will be having different syllabus for the gate, right? So numerical integration, we have trapezoidal rule, Simpson rule. Both are very famous. In Simpson, we have 1 by 1/3 and 3/8. Don't worry about 3/8. You concentrate on 1/3 Simpson's rule. You have a trapezoidal rule, which is based on the Newton Cotes segment formula. It comes from that, and that Newton formula comes from the difference equation, forward difference. You don't worry about all these things. And we have segment 1 and segment 2. We have values like this: x 2, 3, 4, right? X we have 2, 3, 4, and you have x cube, you have x cube, instead of drawing straight line, I have drawn some box. Right? This is x cube. X cube. Okay. X cube. And x values are 2, 3, 4. Why one segment, two segment? Because the given question is two segment. What is h? H is equal to b minus a, the height of the or the length of the segment or the strip. What we are going to review. If you minimize the strip, you maximize the accuracy. Here we need only two. That is two segment. So what is the upper limit here? Is 4. Lower limit is 2. And how many strips you need? This is the strip segment n 2. So 4 minus 2 by 2, it is 2 by 2 is equal to 1. H is equal to 1. Okay. Now we have the formula here. No need to integrate directly. You have the formula here. H by 2, y0 plus yn. We have only three values: y0, y1, y2, and y0 plus yn plus 2 into y1 plus y2 and dot 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 dot. First plus last. You can remember like this. You can remember the trapezoidal rule like this: h by 2 into first plus last plus 2 into remaining. Right? What is first is 8, last is 64, plus 2 into remaining 27. You have the answer 63. So this is the perfect answer for the problem. Okay, right? So these are things we have. Okay, right?